This is a quick guide to importing a human medicine to the UK. Import a licensed medicine. You'll need to apply for one or more licenses if you want to import a licensed medicine. Wholesale license, also known as a wholesale dealer license or wholesaler distribution authorization. Manufacturer license. Marketing authorization license. Wholesale and manufacturing licenses are issued by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. The MHRA aims to complete all applications within 90 days. Apply for a wholesaler license. If you plan to import medicine from the following countries, you'll need to apply for a wholesaler license. A country on an approved country for import list, or a country in the European Economic Area if you're in Northern Ireland, and then supplying it to another country, including the UK. A country that isn't approved for import and exports it to a country that isn't approved for import, or if you're in Northern Ireland, an EEA country that exports to a non-EEA country. The type of application determines the amount you pay, the number of sites, and the total amount of money you make selling licensed human medicines. Once you are ready with your licenses and other documentation, you can use customsdeclarations.uk's platform for filing your customs declaration swiftly and effortlessly. Apply for a manufacturer license. If you want to import medicine from a country that isn't on the approved country for import list for use in the UK or supply it to a country on the approved country for import list, you'll need to apply for a manufacturer license. If you import medicine from outside the EEA for use in the UK or to supply to another EEA country, you'll need to apply for a manufacturing license in Northern Ireland. Apply for a marketing authorization license. Before you may sell human medicine, you must first obtain an MA license. Because there are many different sorts of MA licenses, the procedure you must take is determined by the type of MA license you require. A qualified person listed in the manufacturer or importer license must certify that a drug has been prepared and tested according to good manufacturing practice before being supplied to the market. Customsdeclarations.uk makes it easy for you to maintain and track your authorisations on a single platform and easily link those with your customs declaration. Import an unlicensed medicine. You can import an unlicensed medicine if you meet the following criteria. You import it from a country that isn't approved for import and then export it to a country that isn't approved for import, called an introduced product. You are in Northern Ireland, and you are importing it from a non-EEA country to export it to another non-EEA country, called an introduced product. Licensed medicines do not work for a patient's unique clinical needs, called a special product. No licensed medication are available to meet a patient's clinical demands, also called a special product. Import an introduced product. To import an introduced product into the UK, you must be a licensed wholesale dealer. Only a person authorized to import or supply medicinal items through wholesale distribution in a country other than an approved country or in Northern Ireland in a non-EEA country may receive an introduced medicine. Import a special product. If you're importing medicine from a country that isn't on the list of recognized countries for import, or if you're in Northern Ireland from outside the EEA, you'll need to apply for a manufacturer specials license. You will also need to make a notification of intent to import an unlicensed medicine 28 days before you do so. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.